In today's video, I'm going to show you Be My Eyes App Review 2025. Be My Eyes is a volunteer matching app that connects people with visual impairments to sighted helpers via live video. The idea is powerful. Someone who's blind or has low vision can show something via their phone, camera, reading labels, matching clothes, checking the expiry date, small technical issues, etc. And a volunteer on the other end helps describe or guide them. The app is free for both volunteers and people who need help, supports many languages over 180, and operates 24/7, making it accessible globally. It has also added an AI-powered Be My AI feature, which can interpret images when volunteers aren't immediately available. These tools together provide real utility and show strong positive impact. That said, there are some limitations and frustrations reported by both users and volunteers. A common issue is volunteer availability. At certain times or in certain languages, it may take longer to connect, or no volunteer responds immediately. Technical problems also crop up. Video quality can be poor, calls sometimes drop, and user interface glitches are reported often. Internet connectivity plays a big role in these issues. In areas with weak data or unstable networks, Be My Eyes may work less reliably. Privacy and safety are also key concerns. Because the app uses video, volunteers may see personal items, living spaces, etc., which makes trust and proper moderation important. Some users worry that volunteers may misuse access or misunderstand what is safe to show. Also, although the app is very much non-profit in spirit, the AI parts raise questions about data use and whether image descriptions or recordings are stored or reviewed. So far, there's no major scandal. Overall, Be My Eyes is legitimate and meaningfully valuable, especially for individuals needing visual assistance occasionally or in everyday situations. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.